Gold and silver both pretty much stayed in range. Most importantly, both failed to break on the upside, and the resistances which we mentioned in the yesterday's analysis, that 1960 levels you should watch out for, only above which you should buy, and for silver it was 2420. Both almost precisely achieving the same levels have reversed and today again have come back to the next support and almost trading bearish today again. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts of gold. You can find out the peak here, and since then it has been trading in this bearish channel. You can see the lows and the highs are beautifully aligned. Hence, there is a case for you to buy gold today at 1955 levels. If you see it trading above 1955, you can buy and expect that we might see 1960, and in fact it can try to fly beyond that. Remember, this should be still treated a retracement till the time it stays below 1967 levels, 1965 levels rather. This is a zone where it is going to get the maximum resistance, and hence till there it should be only treated as a retracement, not a reversal. On the hourly chart, the moving averages have crossed over. This is and trading with divergence. This is a bearish sign here. Stochastic flat. MACD almost have hit a bottom. It is trying to stabilize here, and a possible crossover may bring a little retracement on the upside, which means a little pull on the upside. RSI is almost flat, and on the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you can see first of all these two candles, there is a liquidity gap here. The complete movement is trying to stay within this candle itself. So even if it tries to drop, it may try to restrict its movement at best towards 1940-1930 zone. Very good support exists here. Only below 1930 we can treat this as bearish, and below that it is going to break strongly. Now if you look at 2-hour charts, see the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop again. And now still very much its movement is confined between this. Also the previous candle was outside Bollinger Bands, and hence it is trying to take the support from the Bollinger Bands. Yes, this is the bearish channel in which it is trying to take. If you look at the stochastic, this is flat. The MACD is still trading with little divergence and bearishness. RSI is almost trading flat here. Looking at 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, nothing different. Remember, a rise, retracement and a breakout could bring more bulls out there. Stochastic at bottom here. MACD is trading with little divergence and bearishness. RSI is also almost trading flat, now trying to start looking upwards. And on the 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour chart. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So this is the third wave here. Hence, even if it tries to retrace, you can see possibly it has to break past 1955 levels in order to confirm a rise. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic trying to reverse. MACD is again trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI is also trading with a negative slope, slightly negative slope. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, first of all, just connect the dots here. Beautifully connected, 1945 levels, giving it a very good support. And if you connect the dots here, see, this is the broader channel here, which is, we can see if you align these highs here. But look at last 2 days high, you will find out. See, 1955, 60, and a rise above 60 is what you should treat it as a little reversal, and then 65. So this zone today, 60, 65 levels, if you see gold staying comfortably over 60 and 65, breaking past 65, that point you should treat this as reversal, that gold has reversed and it is going to fly high. As you can see, after staying flat here at 1960 yesterday, it has seen a good dip, and the previous candle had a tail. Today also it has shown already a good tail, now trying to retrace a little on the upside. And on the, see, the moving averages, the exponential moving averages are trading with divergence, trading bearish, and this is also stationed between 60 and 65, which makes this zone very strong. Stochastic near to top. MACD is in green and it is almost trading with a slightly positive slope. RSI is almost. Hence, the buying point for today is at 1955 levels. And in fact, if you are buying at 1955, remember, it's still a risky trade till 1960 levels. only above 1960, little more bullishness. There above 1960, I will be almost 60 to 65% bullish. Above 67 to 70 zone, I will be 90%, 100% bullish rather. So I'll wait for it to break out. Remember, it is still consolidating since long now. And on the downside, 1945, yes, you can sell there at 1945. Expect 1940 levels, very, very good support. Till 1930, it has got extremely great support. And if it breaks below 1930, it should be treated as a breakout, and we can see a very good bearish move below 1930 levels. And hence, in between 45 and 55, do not take any trade, just observe. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me again on the Telegram and email IDs. More details. Let's start. Silver on the early charts. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Then this drop, now retracement. Now if you just connect these dots, first of all, this is trading in this bearish channel. The second point is 2380, which we have been tracking since long, is an extremely good support. That is, you should always keep a note of. Now for today, on the upside, you can see 24 giving it a good resistance, multiple candles getting a pullback here. And if you see it trading above 2410, you can buy here for 2420, and beyond that it should fly like 2450 and beyond levels. Only and only if it stays above 2420 levels. Now see, rise there, flag here. I will wait for a breakout either which ways. If it drops below 2380, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail here. Stochastic has also dropped. The MACD is still bearish, and the RSI is also trading flat here near to bottom. And on the 2-hour chart, see, after this retracement, it is looking downwards. It has seen a good dip here. The bottom, I think, is seen here. You can see if you connect the dots, you will find this is almost the bottom, and the highs here somewhere. So possibly wait for it to break past $24, 24.05 levels, such that it can show you a rise, because beyond 24.05 also till 24.20 you have seen silver getting extremely good resistance, but you can initiate a buy entry at 24.05 and expect a little rise. But remember, till 24.20 just put the stop loss at your entry price. On the downside below 23.80. Now once it breaks below 23.80, you can say there is still not much ground on the downside to cover. We may see it hitting 23.70, 60. Now 60 is the next important support, below which you can expect a further drop there. Also, if you note here, you can find out 23.20 is the next. 23.20, 40, 60. These three steps you should note here. These are the support levels for silver for the day, and any drop below 23.80, you can expect that it can try to achieve these steps. It's just like having a step at every 20 cents for silver, and it trades as per the support level. Stochastic has retraced here. MACD trying to trade with little divergence. This is a bearish sign. RSI looking downwards, and on the 3-hour chart. Now if you look at 3-hour chart, see, after a series of red candles, it is trying to reverse. However, moving averages here, the 20 and 50 period, giving it a little resistance till 24.05. Now see, 3 candles getting resistance precisely at the same levels, indicating slight bearishness. Beyond this, yes, you can expect it to rise. How far? Till 24.20. There is resistance. Now on the downside, if this candle turns red here, because see, one red candle, there could be second red candle at least half the size, which means 23.80, 23.70, it can try to pull it till towards, below which further bearishness is going to be seen. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also trading flat near to bottom. On the 4-hour, after having a flat top, first red candle, there could be possibility of a second red candle. Just stay cautious here with the bulls out there. I think till 24.05, do not trade this as, or do not think of buying silver. Here it is trading with little divergence, and this is a bullish sign. It is not yet crossed over. This is very important to note. Stochastic at bottom here. MACD crossed over, trading with little divergence, trading bearish, RSI almost flat, and on the daily. Now look at daily charts first of all. See the top line giving it beautiful strong resistance on the upside. Hence, it needs to breach past the top line here, and hence only above which you can treat this as bullish. Now if you look at the movement, one bullish candle, 3-4 retracement candle, couple of bullish candles, 3-4 retracement candles. Now lower highs and higher lows are seen. If you just ignore this candle, you can see this is still trading in this bullish channel, and hence any breakout below 2380 should be taken up seriously, below which 2350 2320 levels cannot be denied there, and it may resume its journey on the downside. We have to be very careful till 2320 levels, at least put a 20 cents trailing stop loss on the downside and trade there. Now this is first part here. Stochastic has retraced till towards the top. The MACD has also retraced and it is in green, willing to converge crossover. RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, only buy entry today is above 2405, above which you can expect 2420 as the maximum resistance, beyond which only you can expect it to rise a little. On the downside, you can sell here at 2380 levels, and below 2380 you can still expect 2370 and 60 as the greater support. Till here we can see a strong recovery. Below 2360 we can say till 2320 put a 20 cents trailing stop loss, because below 2360 it can try to accelerate the bearishness. However, as we know that there is greater support till 2320 levels, you have to put a stop loss at cost, because it can bounce back again also, and hence you have to put the stop loss at cost and trade accordingly. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. The next video will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.